Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a quick little no fuss video on how I did my brows today. It's just gonna be pretty simple and easy and quick, so I hope that you guys get some tips and enjoy this video. If you would like to see how I did the rest of my look today, how I got my smoky eyes and my powder base foundation, and with every highlighter, blush, bronzer, there will be links to those videos down below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see here, and feel free to comment on if you would like me to see or like to see me do other looks or tutorials, just whether that be learning or just full face looks. Feel free to leave those in the comments below. I hope you enjoy. Hi there. I just popped on here to go ahead and do a quick little video, just an easy, no fuss eyebrow tutorial. As you can see, I have already done this brow off camera, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and do this brow just really quickly, just kind of this literally is just a easy, no fuss brow video. And just to apply it, I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush. It has a little spoolie on the end, and then this nice little angle brush here on the other. So that is what I'll be using today. So I will go in with my eyeshadow. I just use my eyeshadow palette. That's what I used for my brows today, and I will be using this color here in Sable, and then I will go ahead and show you how I do my brows. And this is just really, it's really easy. Just run this through my brows. Oh, I guess I brushed them up first. So I go ahead and brush them up a bit here. And then I just take my angle brush with my product on it, and then just start working that through my brow. A little higher up than I wanted there. But this really takes me like no time at all to do this. It's quick and easy, and just add some dimension to my brows. Just continue to work this product in. As you can see, it's all coming together with my other one here, and doesn't take long at all. And I will be set with this brow matching the other. You can see there, we're getting pretty close. Just go ahead and in there. That's looking pretty good. Maybe a little bit here. I usually don't dip my brush back into my product towards the end here, so that I don't get too dark or too harsh of a line there on the inside, the larger portion of my brow, the thicker part of my brow there. So just continue to work this a little bit longer. And of course, as I'm kind of talking it through, it does seem to take a little bit longer for me, but that's just because I'm doing some explaining. It really is just a nice, quick way to get that definition to your brows. And voila! There we have the other brow there. I went ahead and just combed it up a little bit more. I was kind of in the moment and didn't say that while I was doing it, but just gave it a little bit of a comb up and got that just a little bit more neat. And there I've got that all taken care of. And then of course, so my brows, thankfully I just, for me it works that I just add a little bit of that product and it just gives me that little more definition. I'm pretty comfortable with, you know, the way my brows stand out and look, gives them a little more attention. Of course, for those of you that need a little bit more, you could always use your either brow pencil, eye pencil, to help shape your brows. And then you can, after you've used your pencil, you can go ahead and set your brows with more of like the powder. It could be, you know, in all sorts of powders or pomades. I mean, there's all kinds of ways to do your brows, but I just wanted to pop on here and do a quick little video of how I do my brows. Just real easy, simple, one product, one little handy brush, and that's a nice little duo brush, and then just go ahead and get my eyebrows done. So I hope that you enjoyed this little quick video. If you would like to see how I got the rest of my look, I have a foundation video that shows how I got my base, my bronzer, my blush, my highlighter, and then I also have a separate video for these smoky purple eyes. So if you would like to check those out, I will certainly have the links in the description box that you can go ahead and check those out and see how I created all of the rest of this look for the day. So hope you enjoy. Bye.